Hi friends, today we meet to prepare together delicious fondant potatoes in the pan. It is the perfect combination of two types of cooking, frying and steaming. The result gives us potatoes with a super soft and very gooey texture. We will immediately see this more closely. We will start by heating 5 tablespoons of oil for frying over medium heat. Add the potatoes. We stay low. When they start to color, we stir and we'll cover so that the steam effect takes place. It is a cooking that must remain slow. A fire hot enough to color the potatoes a little, but with very little power for them to cook as well. This can take up to 50 minutes. We especially think of stirring every 2 or 3 minutes so we do not remove away from the pan. Here you can clearly see the water released by the steam. Here I friend who potatoes is ready to be tested. See you very soon for the next video.